Another thing we can do with extrusion, actually with anything in Maya, we can repeat operations. So, but it's works nice when we need to extrude lots of stuff. So, say I want to extrude, I do it just the way we did it before. I extrude it, and I decide that okay, this is a horn, I have to continue extruding. I could space, recent commands, extrude, and I can continue with the last operation. So it's not only about extrude, because of course extrude is very quick here as well, but in any operation you could repeat it with a space, recent commands, and here. Okay, so that was extrusion. Notice that I could also not only extrude and move out, I could extrude and shrink, so to speak. So the polygon is still in the same area here, but but we have a kind of a small window here, so to speak. So now I can have a smaller branch going out of this. I don't know what this is. All right, some other tools. Oh, still actually talking about extrusion, I forgot one important thing. I don't need brush, sorry. So, say I select a couple of faces and I want to extrude them. And now when I have a couple of faces selected, I could change this option here, keep faces together. Let's make it off, and you see I have them separated. So you could do fingers like this, or and let's actually select all of this here, extrude, outwards, off, and you see I have an interesting shape here. Then I continue extruding. Yeah, poke face, that's what we can do. So say I want to have a roof, let's pretend, let's make another object. So say I want a house. Poke faces and move it up. Here we have a roof. Now let's have a look at vertices. What can we do with vertices? So the most important one and mostly used probably would be chamfer. I can change the length, the divisions, and here I have a rounded corner.